back as a host. Right, you got it? Make me back as host. Okay, right, listen. I want to ask one question. What is the difference between cube and rectangle, Amma? What is the difference between cube and rectangle? Yes.
Cube is 3D, rectangle is 2D.
Cube is
3D, rectangle is 2D.
ఇది చెప్తే నీకు ఆ ఇంటి పెనల్ నుంచి ఇంటికి పంపిస్తారు. It is also 3D object.
Cube
It is
has
also
8 corners.
yes, Amma.
Rectangle has 4 corners.
లేదమ్మా, ఇది రెక్టాంగల్ అమ్మా.
8
ಇದು రెక్టాంగల్. ಇದು 2D నా 3D నా? ಇದು రెక్టాంగల్. ಇದು 2D నా 3D నా? This sharpener, this rubber is 2D or 3D?
3D.
Sharpener, eraser amma. 2D or 3D?
3D.
3D amma. Its two faces are same. Third face is not same. Does not means in square, rectangle. If square, all three faces are same, it will become a cube. Yes, sir. Length is equal to width is equal to height. Agree? Agree? Yes, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
In rectangle, length is equal to height is equal to width. Any one is not equal, then two are equal, third is not equal. Jagratama, all are 3D figures. Okay. I will draw one cube. See, this is 120-degree line. Agree? Agree? This is 120-degree line. How many agree with me? How many agree with me?
Yes, sir.
No? Agree? Yes, Amma, ಇದು 120-degree line. Only I not drawn this vertical line. ఏం అవసరం లేదు, అది ఎప్పుడు అవసరం ఉంది. If I draw 90 plus 30, 120. 90 plus 30, 120. 180 minus 60, 120. Now I will draw cube. See, I will take this 30 mm. How much I will take? 30 cube length I taken. Length is equal to 30. Width how much, Amma? Width how much? Width how much? If length is 30, cube of side of 30 mm, if we say, then what is length?
30.
Width. Width.
30.
Height.
30.
Height.
30.
30. He always, whenever he use word cube, he will give one dimension, because if we know one dimension, all are same. If it is 30, it is also 30. See. So I taken one side length, one side width. What I told, parallel. From here, make parallel line. Parallel. Because one thing I want to tell, this is parallel and this is parallel. See, you can name it A1, B1, C1, D1. This cube, imagine this as a cube. It is having base, it is having top, bottom base, top base. Agree? Agree? Cube is having bottom base, top base. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the difference between top base and bottom base, Amma? What is the difference? How you will differentiate between bottom and top?
By the outside and complete now.
Only height is the difference. From here 40, 40, 40, 40. See, from every corner I will draw same. I am taken 30. This is 30. From here 30. From here, height should be vertical length. Height should be vertical. It should be perpendicular to baseline. Always it is perpendicular. See, this, if it is A1, it is A. If it is B1, B. If it is C1, C. If it is D, join in sequence A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Idu Jagratam చూసుకో. This is cube amma. This is isometric figure. This you take length, this as a width, and this as a height. If you take this, this is height of the object, this is width of the object, and this is length of the object. And this is 120 degree, 120 degree, and this is 120 degree. See, this line is parallel to this. 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 This line. All opposite sides should be parallel to the rule of the isometric. Got it, my point? It is very easy to draw. One 30-degree line represent length. Another 30-degree line represent width. You may take width this side, length this side. It is your choice. Already I told in one of the problem. But height should be vertical. Vertical means we drawn one horizontal line. It should be perpendicular to that line from all corners. Note down this figure. This is the basic fundamental of isometric. Finish, let me know. I'm not happy with strength, amma. I won't repeat anything in future, amma. Here, 4th and 5th units, no repetition. Because here everything we have to come from base. It is left to you people. Finished?
Yes.
Lesson. Next, take one more problem. Already we finished up to here. Up to this problem, I noted down. We finished up to this problem. Can you remember? Can you remember?
Yes, sir, remember.
Right. Take next problem. This is first part. After that isometric scale, all those things will start. Because of that day I am taking combined class. That's why I skipped this topic. Now take next problem. Draw the isometric view of a quadrilateral. Draw the isometric view of a quadrilateral. Draw the isometric view of a quadrilateral whose top view is shown in figure. Draw the isometric view of a quadrilateral. Draw the isometric view of a quadrilateral whose top view is shown in figure. Okay, he given some figure. And these all are, we are dealing with 2D. Be careful. This is A, B, C, and this is D. Join A to B, B to C, C to D. I'm intentionally showing you irregular. I told that what are the isometric line segments, Amma? What are the isometric line segments? What are the isometric line segments? Yes. ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను isometric line segment, non-isometric line segment. Yes or no? Yes, sir. ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను. Can you remember? If you remember, you won't solve. I can't do anything. Right. This is irregular object. What are the isometric line segment? Siddham Puja. I am audible.
Sir,
Sahil.
square, cube, and rectangle.
sir.
Only isometric are square, cube, rectangle. Finish. Apart from this, all are non-isometric segment. Anything irregular object is called non-isometric segment. This is non-isometric segment. Convert this non-isometric into isometric segment. Draw this line. Isometric means the relation between compulsory PQRS should have. This is PQRS. It is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. This length is 60. I am writing only roughly. This is 40. This is 25. Mathematics ravalama. This is 15. And this is 50. 40 up to here 25. This is 60. It is up to here 15 and this is 50. Ora, I converted this into PQRS. Agree?
Yes,
See,
sir.
now listen carefully. He told top view. Top view means top view is length and width. Is the rule. You cannot change any rule. Use this same method. This is orthographic view. Compulsory idunu draw cheyali, idunu draw cheyali. Sir, adu ichindi, but we converted this into non-isometric to isometric. Compulsory, both figures should be adjacent. Kinda paina pettachu, side by side pettachu, em problem ledu. But both should be visible. That is must. First, draw one horizontal line. Draw the line at an angle of 30 degree. Draw this line at an angle of 30 degree. Then, what is the AB PQ length? First PQRS draw cheyali 60. From here it is 60. This is height is 40. Take height for length, width 40. This is width 40. Take this as 60. Measure this as 40. See, as light as possible, draw cheyandi. So now it is P, Q, R. Yes. First I transferred PQRS. Same figure. PQ length, PS length. It is parallel to this. It is parallel to this. Idu jagratam. Next. AB is lying down. PQ. This is A. This is B. Take AB line dark. First PQRS should be as light as possible. This is dark. Okay, this is AB. Now tell me where C is located, Amma. C point, where it is located? Where it is located? Where it is located? Mathematics వచ్చేస్తుందా?
On SR line.
Yes. Where it is located? Who is that? Where it is located? If you won't say, I won't say. If you waste my valuable time, I will solve less number of problem. Be careful regarding that. I am very cunning fellow in that certain issues, because if your response is zero when you are not interested, why I have to interested, Amma? Tell me where it is located. See. Okay, we will wait for completion of time. No problem.
On SR line, sir.
Who is that? Tell me where it is located. You stay like that, I will also wait like that only.
Sir, once again repeat the question, sir.
See where it is located.
On SR line.
SR line. How much distance far away from SR line? From R, how much far away? From S, how much far away? That's why I told mathematics రావాలి. Mathematics రాదంటే ఈ problem రాదు. Addition, subtraction. Where it is located?
$45.
Why? Why and how? Already he is given this as a 50 mm length. What is the funny thing you are doing? Sleeping? Yes, where it is located?
Sir, 10 from R.
Huh? Yes.
From R 10 centimeters, sir.
From R 10 centimeter. Idu mathematics. Total